What's the meaning of Brands Hatch? Brands Hatch. Brands Hatch.
Brands Hatch. Brands Hatch. Brands Hatch is a world-renowned motor racing circuit located in Kent, England. The circuit has played host to numerous high-profile motorsport events over the years, including the British Grand Prix, the British Touring Car Championship, and the Formula 3 European Championship. It is also a popular destination for track day enthusiasts and amateur racers alike. Brands Hatch is known for its challenging layout, with several steep inclines and sharp corners that require precise driving to master. The circuit's rich history and reputation as a thrilling venue continue to make it a favorite among fans and drivers alike.